So I saw this trend and I wanted to hop on. 5 things I would not do as a professional house cleaner. So this is just my opinion, my views. I do me, you do you. So let's go. 1, I do not go on vacation leaving dirty dishes in the sink or dirty laundry in the hamper, only because the stench of coming back after 3, 4, 5 days, a week, 2 weeks, a month to dirty ass underwear or dirty dishes in the sink, you don't want to smell it in your house. So clean it up before you go. I would never get glass shower doors for my bathroom. Again, just my personal opinion. Unless you're cleaning them and wiping them off every day or several times a week to remove the hard water buildup and soap buildup, cleaning glass shower doors can become quite a pain in the butt if you're only doing it weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly. So get plastic shower curtain liners, or even better, reusable cloth ones. You could just throw them in the washing machine. So much easier, and the prints are so much prettier. Number 3, don't feel guilty or bad about having dirty dishes in the sink at the end of the day, or just having clothes on the floor because you're tired from work and life is stressful. Don't beat yourself up. We're all in this together. Trust me, I'm a professional cleaner. My house looks a mess too. It happens. Don't beat yourself up. Your home should be your home away of stress and peace, so try not to let it bring you down. Number 4, super high windows. Now, we do have super high windows in our house, like up there. That's just how it was when I moved in with my husband. Not my favorite. I hate high windows. I'm not going up on a ladder to clean them every week. It just builds dust and cobwebs, and it's a pain in the ass to clean. So it looks nice on the outside, but it's a pain in the ass on the inside. So me personally, I don't want high windows that I can't reach to easily clean. And number 5, things I would never do as a professional house cleaner. Buy multiple bottles of spray cleaners all over the place. No. I use an all-purpose concentrated cleaner that cleans mirrors, glass, wood, tile, leather, floor, mopping the whole 9. And I can get so much use out of one bottle as opposed to like 6 or 7 individual bottles. So a good all-purpose cleaner to clean your home is fantastic, cost-effective, much better for the environment. And I just love it. So those are my 5 things I would not do as a professional house cleaner. Thank you. Crunchified Clean.